Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the essentials so the meeting starts cleanly. Sign in to the Zoom desktop app or create an account if needed. This lets you host and control settings. Once signed in, confirm your laptop camera, microphone, and speakers are working, open settings audio and video and test them. If you need a scheduled room, click Schedule, set date/time, and save. Otherwise, click New Meeting to start immediately. Make sure to choose whether to start with video on or off, and enable Join before Host if desired. Now configure the middle steps that shape the meeting experience. Open Participants and click More to mute participants on entry, and enable the waiting room so you control access. This prevents interruptions. Go to Share Screen Settings and restrict sharing to host only unless you want collaboration. Use Invite to send the meeting link, copy the ID, or email guests directly. If you need a record, hit Record or enable cloud recording and assign alternate hosts, so the meeting continues if you leave early. Finish by running the meeting and watching for common issues. You'll manage participants from the panel, mute individuals, pin video, start breakout rooms, and use chat or reactions to collect feedback. Keep an eye on network icons. If lag appears, ask video off or enable original sound for better audio. When done, end meeting for all or assign a co-host and leave. If audio fails, make sure Zoom has mic permission, restart the app, or switch to phone dial-in. That one fix resolves most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.